FL stock Thursday in this 1 minute video covering technical analysis and price predictions on Foot Locker stock next. So sitting at $23.68, we are down 31% out of nowhere with Foot Locker. So what's the case here? For context, I'm religiously following my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins, both shorts and longs, only 2023. I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. Okay, so with FL stock, yes. From a higher time perspective, first and foremost, this is always what we check out first. It's in a beautiful bullish trend, and these retraces are absolutely normal. I'm still gonna mark out the highs here, and obviously the lows are still kind of some of those demand areas. But you know, if I go to the weekly chart right now, the way that I would have approached this is still a great demand area. So no matter what, if it starts giving me rules in this demand area too, I'm still taking it higher at least right here. And if you're in a bullish position, you can hold some of your position for however long you want, right? Because it's a long, come on. So if it starts giving me the rules right now in this demand area, I'm still bullish. So that's what I'm waiting for, like a lower time from double shift. Definitely keep you updated with that. And for more value, check out the free articles below.